Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade laundry soap. There's a couple different recipes I've actually tried on Pinterest that have worked pretty well. One that I tried was a powder detergent. I really enjoyed using that one, but that was when we had softer water, and now we live somewhere where our water is a little bit harder, so it doesn't work quite as well with the powder detergent as another recipe that I found for the liquid kind. I think that the liquid, it seems to work better with our clothes, because when I was using the powder detergent recipe that I had, it was actually making our clothes start to smell like mildew, which I'm still not sure if it was the detergent or if it was the dryer sheets that I was using. But I've stopped using the dryer sheets, and I use my wool dryer balls that I actually found on Amazon, and I can link those below for you guys if you haven't tried those before. Another thing about this recipe is that you can add essential oils to the actual liquid detergent as you're making it. I use Purification from Young Living in my detergent, and I feel like it really takes away all the bad smells and makes your laundry smell fresh. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own liquid detergent at home with just a few simple ingredients, and it'll only cost you about $20 for all the ingredients you need, but that will last you for at least 5 or 6 different 5-gallon tubs of it, because I've made this twice already and I still have a whole bunch of ingredients left. So I know I'll be able to get at least a couple more batches out of the original ingredients that I bought. So if you're interested in learning how to make your own liquid detergent at home, keep watching. Okay guys, so these are going to be the ingredients you need to make your liquid detergent. All you're going to need is the Arm & Hammer super washing soda, some borax, some Zote soap, and then some whatever kind of oil of your choice, and I'm using Purification. The only other thing you're going to need besides these ingredients is water. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is grate your soap so that it cooks down easier. And I'm using Zote soap, which is why it's pink. And you can see I've already kind of cut it up into smaller chunks. It just makes it a little bit easier to grate. Okay guys, so now that the soap is grated, you're going to add about 4 cups of hot water, which I have right here. You're going to add that into your grated soap. So now you're just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat until all of the soap is completely melted. And you're going to be stirring this occasionally. So now what you're going to do is take your 5-gallon bucket, and I know this looks kind of gross because it's a cat litter bucket, but it hasn't been used for cat litter in about 4 years, because that's about when I started making our laundry soap. So ever since then, I washed it out really good, and I've been using it for laundry soap exclusively. So while it looks kind of gross, it's completely clean, I can promise you. So now you're going to take your 5-gallon bucket and you're going to go fill it up about halfway with really hot water. Okay guys, so now the next step is to add your melted Zote soap to your hot water. So now that you've mixed your Zote soap with your hot water, you're going to add 1 cup of borax soap and 1 cup of the super washing baking soda. And then you're going to mix that really good. And then this would be the time that you add your essential oils, if you're going to add them. I'm going to be adding Purification from Young Living because this is one of my favorite smells for laundry soap. And now you're just going to add about 15 drops. And now that you've added your essential oils, you want to go ahead and mix one more time. So now that you've mixed all of this together, you're going to want to add your hot water all the way to the top of the bucket. So now that you've added your hot water, you're going to let this sit covered overnight and preferably about 24 hours to reach the gel-like consistency. And then once it's reached the gel-like consistency, you can transfer it to a smaller container. I use an old laundry soap container, but you can use a mason jar or something like that that makes it easier for everyday use instead of having to pull it out of this big 5-gallon bucket. So day 2, and I'm about to open my bucket and see and I can't really tell just from looking, but I'm gonna take my spoon. Yep, it's that weird gel consistency. So you can see all you have to do is just stir it with a spoon, and then it will be ready to pour into a smaller container. So what I do is I take a tube and I use that to siphon this mixture into a smaller container, and then it's ready for use. So there you have it, guys. Laundry detergent. So there you go, guys. That's how I make my liquid detergent here at home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys tried out the recipe at home, I want to hear about it. Please comment down below and let me know how you did, if you made any tweaks or changes to the recipe. I'd love to hear about your successes and your failures. And I hope that you guys will stick around for more of my videos in the future. I'm just getting started, but I'm hoping to make more DIYs and cleaning videos and cooking videos and mommy videos and just telling it like it is. So I hope you guys had a great time today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!